all the news. In his class we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class we found our home, with that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. And it's feeling rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class we found our home, with that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade and we're finally known. Magnus' bestest crew, they got the neck. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. Magnus' bestest strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Magnus brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. Magnus better like the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. In his class we're all the news. In his class we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class we found our home, with that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. And it's feeling rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class we found our home, with that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade and we're finally known.
So, guys, can you hear me? Let me know in the chat. Can you hear me? So, what do we have here? What do we have? Let's go. I just came to the chart. Let me do some basic markup. Mhm. So, can you hear me? Let me know. Yesterday there was a little bit of problem. Hopefully today it's better. Okay. So the market opens in 9 minutes. Let's see. Where are we going? Okay, okay. Just basic levels, guys and girls. Ah, you can hear me. Now I checked the chat. Okay, why is the chat not on the screen? Why is it not on the screen? Yesterday the chat was working. Now I don't see answer. That's strange. Okay. Okay, okay, the chat is on the screen. Let's go. Now I see it. So, well, let me. I should actually focus on the charts. I'm still making food. Hold on. Guys, I should really focus more. I've just come from the beach. Didn't eat anything. Okay. Um, so what do I want to do? What do I want to trade over here? See. Are we going up or down at the open? That's the question. Of course, there's gonna be fake outs, so we need to be careful. And I think, actually, I don't know. Mhm. Okay, I think. Hmm. Okay, 2 minutes is already jumping around. Okay. Okay, okay. 1 minute. and open. So we are market is open. So what does he want to do? Hmm. First fake. Okay, it might go actually down. Okay, okay. Second fake, fake out. What does it want to do? I want this candle green, guys. Let's go, let's go. Okay, I don't like it. It's better to be sure, we don't want to FOMO. If we miss the trade, no problem. No problem. Yeah, it's going down. Okay, okay. So can we get an entry? That was a nice trade, okay. But we are not FOMOing. That could have been a fake out. Although fake outs are less probable if we already had a fake out. But today I just decided I want to go very safe to give you guys a good example. Let's go. So basically, there are some traders who just wait for the fake outs for the first move and then try to get in. So there's like a couple ways how you can trade this. You don't need to be like quickly any stress getting in. You can like wait for the move. You know, this was a nice move, but it doesn't work always like this. Okay, okay. It's 1 minute, guys, and this one on the main screen, that's 5 minute chart. What do you guys want to do? We are in a quick trade. Actually, I don't like it so far. I wanted to develop some better structure. Uh, the main move was actually the first one. But we didn't have a confirmation. And I just don't need to FOMO, you know. Let's go. If we get a nice structure created and then opportunity, we can go in. But mm, oh, I don't like it. So today, guys, today probably. Oh, So basically took out the Asian low. No, I mean London low. So we can check if it wants to take out the Asia low.
Order filled.
Ah,
Stop filled.
okay. Break even. Let's try it
Order
again.
filled. Stop filled.
What? My mission dropped though. Wait, my mission, my. Okay, hold on. Can we? What does it want to do?
Order filled.
Okay. Drop, go, down, drop, drop.
Filled.
Okay, there we go. Finally down. It's a nice profit. So, if we get a nice structure, we can go probably down. But I want it to close bullish.
Order filled.
Okay, go down. We are break even, so go down, drop. Don't go up. I don't like it. I don't like how
Order
it moves.
filled.
So small profit, yeah, we would get back, break even again. Okay, now it's Now it destroyed my structure. I don't like it anymore. Why did it do this stupid move? Okay, okay. So what do you want to do? Are you going down or not?
Failed.
We are in the trade. Your break even. Ah,
Stop failed.
okay. Break even. A small profit also. So basically, this is because you know we are on the bigger picture. We are actually on a support. So I just don't want to play around. It will go down, but I just don't need. We have already nice profits for today, and we missed the main move because we didn't have a confirmation. So yeah, that's it. But we on the bigger picture, we are already where do we change of here. We are already on a support, and it's gonna be probably ignored order block, but you know, I always like to be like at the beginning. And this is what's happening like after the open, like it's not really interesting to me. So yeah, it's going down, but I just don't need to trade this. I want to guys make sure you understand that the trading can be very easy and not stressful. You just need to, and also not time consuming. You just come to the charts at the market open, and that's it, and trade when you have a confirmation, you trade a trade. And one trade basically per day. That's it. One sure shot, you know. So even though I knew it was gonna go down, it has a nice triangle and everything. But it's just you need to keep your rules. And it just got hit my break-even stop loss. So after that, I just didn't. It was a small profit still, but yeah, I didn't get in again because that's against my rules. So yeah, but as I said, this was the main move right at the open, but we didn't get a uh, correct confirmation. Mostly it's just fake outs like this. Although we did have a few rejections, but yeah, tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow I will try to catch a bigger trade, bigger profit. Okay, but today also nice, very nice profit. So that's the most important thing. Okay, okay, but yeah, nice move. That was a nice move. Still, I need to, guys, still, the summer is still working here. So I have just come from the beach. I didn't eat anything. I set up quickly the stream. I tried to make sure it's not gonna be like yesterday, the problems. But I already set up everything yesterday, so I knew it's gonna be easier today. So yeah, as you say, the sound works. I will make sure to watch the video if it was actually working correctly. Like after this stream, but yeah. So at the beginning of my streams, basically, as I said, I will focus on the main trades from the open. But of course, like there's opportunities even still within the first half an hour, especially of the open, like jumping from order blocks because we like the price action, it showed its colors, it showed its intention, the power, and then you just go with them, with the big players. So there should be like at least three moves, you know, and that's it. Of course, you need to be careful. You don't ever wanna get stuck in a consolidation. That's what happens with most scalpers. They just don't realize when the moment happens, like that the energy is not there, the volume is not there anymore, and then they lose money. They earn money at the beginning, and then they lose what they earned for that trading session. So that's why you need to know when to stop. You need to stop in profits, not be greedy, not FOMO. For example, I could have, been feeling bad that, oh, okay, I was waiting too much confirmation, but it just doesn't matter because tomorrow is another day. It's like really, as I said in my course, you need to be like the Michael Jordan, how he was playing sometimes in a way that he on purpose didn't put the ball in the basket because he knew he was so sure that on the second try he'll just do it how he wants. So you can even miss on purpose because you know you are that good, and it will make you even more confident and more resistant to FOMOs. You just don't care because you can do it over and over and over, at your terms. You don't need to be following like, oh, this was a very good opportunity. Oh, now I missed it. You don't care. You are the boss. You do it how you want it. You are not some needy, small, you know. So it's, but it's basically also I'm trying to be very nice. I talk always very nice. I don't use bad words. So also, of course, for YouTube it's not good. Yeah, but I'm actually a very nice person. I don't. Oh, for example, you see now people who trade still, maybe they can have a good trade. Forming some quick scalp. Um, After confirmation. Okay. So basically, now just observing the charts, and I'm gonna try. So the stream looks okay. How I like it, I think. The problem is there was with the mic and with errors in Streamlab, the software. Basically, it was, and even at some point even erased my whole settings. So basically, the problem was there was like triple sound because by default there's like open channels with voiceover, and also the desktop of like audio, and then basically I put another source, and basically it was just double, triple sound echoes. Um, so I just cleaned it, and I want to make sure. Okay, now I'll try to put the music if it works okay. So where do we have music? Where do we? Because I need to be careful with copyright. I never play any copyright music. So now I think it's like room. Now I'm putting on more. No, because I don't hear the change in the audio, the volume of the song. I hear the same. So I would like to check if you really get more and more. Now it should be like very loud. Background. Middle. Yeah, PocketOption live. Yeah, might be in the future. Yeah. I just want to focus on one thing. I will need to make sure to adjust my trading on PocketOption to trade on higher time frames. So I don't want guys to be jumping on the neons and 5 second trades. Things like you don't even realize how much even my computer has delayed internet connection and but I really like these features. I think this is what I'm like to focus on right now. Even though I don't really it still PocketOption, I just fell in love with features. Yeah, you know how I am. I just I focus. One thing is the success. Two, this is this is the key to success. Guys. Focus on one thing as much as possible. Okay, so basically, as I said, people who still want to trade. You are following a nice opportunity. Still valid. But by the way, tomorrow again I'm gonna be trading the same way. I'm gonna be waiting for my confirmation. And you will see if we again this is trading that, you know, especially these days, you know, still this is my second live, so I just wanna be putting you guys in a very nice psychological situation, you know, give you good habits, the example of good habits, building your good habits. So I will do it with you guys. I will not trade, even though I know it can happen like today. Miss the half of the moon. Basically, there, okay, I got some small profit. Now the second moon was here, and I missed it just because, you know, it happens. The break even stop loss was hit. Next time I can put it a little bit later. But still, like, also the manipulations with the, you know, with the levels of my stop loss, it's a little bit, it's not so smooth. It's not like I have on forex. I have software that I developed, and I just use keys, shortcut keys, hot keys, and it's like so quick. Exactly what I'm doing. Breaking stop loss, boom, 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 and then again. So this was your trade, guys. Right there. Stop loss. So I need to also get accustomed to the Nasdaq price movements. You know, normally my breaking stop loss would have been okay, even that quick. But this one, this futures is going to go up and down and down. Especially, for example, coming from focusing a lot on pocket options. You know, I just entered, and that would be a very nice pocket option trade. Alright. This is a pocket option. That's why I need to take my profits quicker. So basically, you would enter, you better have entered here, take your profits quicker, because something like this can happen. What are you saying, Alex G? You are not fake? Okay, I thought you are trying to impersonate Alex, you know, that trader. No, there's a trader, guys. Alex GFX Gonzalez. So, okay, sorry, if you are not impersonating, if you are not trying to scam that, Alex G, I'm talking to you, then send it. So yeah, so this is gonna be interesting, right? If you months. Yeah. Many people really like it, it's just useful. And yeah, I want to check the charts. Yeah, crazy revenue. So, but it was the entry as well. Good luck. Okay. If I was if I were in loss, I would have tried to get it back. So I would be continuing, but I mean, nice profits, so I'll just lose money. And also, I visited the most important websites. I just mentioned, and also, I want to make sure you understand trading is about discipline and about rules and about focusing on one very clean strategy. So this is what we did today. I'm gonna recap here. That was predicting a very nice drop, but I was waiting for a confirmation. At least one green candle. I know we had very nice weeks. And in other situations, I actually take these trades, but for today, I wanted to wait for a special confirmation. And I will do the same tomorrow, because I want to start, slow and safe, and as I said, make sure you guys also learn the right habits, because these can be very easily fake out. You're going like this, even have a nice week, still fake out, because that was not enough for the interest. So, and then we made down again, then we consolidation, nice triangle, and I knew the energy was there, so I knew that we were about to go even lower, but I was still very safe because it was one of the first streams. So what I do, I like to do this carefully, and then move. So consolidation, so move, okay, start on this consolidation, fake out, then distribution, or somebody calls it audience, consolidation, then expansion, distribution, and again consolidation, and distribution. And again, it is nice order block and down. This will probably still go down a little bit. And you will have already been a nice profit waiting here. So stop loss and continue. First stop loss of the movement. And then once continued to go down, stop loss is working on. This cable is true. Then you return, so you take safe if So yeah, Nasdaq is interesting, nice writing point. One chart, you need to be specialist, guys. That's the easiest way to become successful in anything. Be specialist. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.